Oh, hey guys, Viper fan here, Alex Kahn. Anyways, today I'm going to show you my RC car, and this is a Dodge Viper, and it's red. Now I got this because it looks like the Viper RT10 from the TV series Viper. So in the TV series, he drives a '92 Viper RT10, which is a road track, I guess 10-cylinder, and this car looks just like it. At least it's definitely the first generation. And when the TV show came out, this was really the I guess the grand debut of the car. It's hard to say because I know NASCAR had a pace car for the Dodge Viper as well, but I think everyone got exposure to this car when that show came out in '94, I guess. Maybe people have seen it more. Anyway, this is the same car, but this is a black version. There's no remote with this, but I want to get you show you guys the red RT. Now, in the TV show, the main guy, or sorry, there is no main guy. The driver, he drives this red convertible throughout the show until the fourth season. In the fourth season, he drives, I think it's a '98 GTS, and it's got this really cool, like metallic blue color to it, and it's just pure blue. It's pretty awesome. So I'm gonna take this out of the box so you can see what it looks like. Dun, 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 dun. So it's got all the Dodge logos on this thing. So happy about this. Yeah, I love car shows that promote Mopar. So when this show came out, I was so excited about it. And I did fall off after the first season, but now that I have the DVD, I can go back and watch it. So anyway, this is made by JRL. Very old school RC company. I don't think they still operate anymore. Maybe they do, I don't know. This one's 27 megahertz frequency. Put you over there, my friend. Let's slide this out of the styrofoam. Uh-oh. I'll get that later on. So here it is. This thing is beautiful. It's got those really unique 3-spoke wheels. You can see that it looks like the styrofoam like melted onto the body. Oops, I'll have to figure out how to clean that off. It seems to be hard printed into there now. So I'll probably get a license plate for the back. That Metro City plate, which is fictional. And let me do some measurements of this car. I heard this is 1/14 scale, but let's do some measurements just to see. All right, I'm gonna measure it from my side. I'll tell you what they are. You'll have to take my word for it. So from bumper to front fender, it's about, it's about 13 inches roughly. That's a very rough estimate. The width of the car at its widest point, it could be right here, I guess. It's about 5.5 inches wide. And the wheelbase, let me go check this out. Wheelbase is a little less than 7.5 inches. Wait, let me see. Yeah, it's slightly less than 7.5 inches. So I guess that's 1/14 scale. It is a roadster, so they're not the biggest cars ever. This was really neat. I definitely want to get the Defender though. That was made for the TV show, made by Chrysler. But this is the car that he drives for his daily driver. But this one transforms into the Defender. So I'm excited, and I'm glad I have this. I also have the black one. I'll probably get repainted red. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do you have this too? Let me know. Bye. Thanks, Hans.